Hi guys, this is Ruby with MRB Financial. Thank you so much for joining us on this beautiful monthly. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and share with your family as we do look forward to add value to your financial house. We are on Facebook, YouTube, Spotify, Instagram, and LinkedIn. For today's topic of the week, we will discuss tools and resources that are available to all of us. This tax season has definitely been different. As we were coming down to our end, as we did say that we would do these YouTube videos through the end of the tax season, we thought that a nice way to wrap this up was to hand you over the tools and resources that all professionals use to follow, the guidelines and where we check our information right away. So that's what we're going to focus on today. On my screen, you will see that I'm just going to move over my screen over now. We are browsing. This is the irs.gov. This is basically where we check your refund, get my pay if you want to make a payment, if you want to check a status on your refund, if you want to go back to school and you're wondering about the educational tax credits, you could just go into the search engine and type in whatever information you're looking for. So if you're looking for educational credits, you could just type that in. And then either a publication is basically the workbook of the instructions on how you go about getting this credit or detailed information about it. As you could see, there's different links. You would just need to go in appropriately for you. If you are a college student and you're wondering about these learning credits that you get while you are taking your 4-degree program, that is here too. The 1098-T form that you get at the end of the year. What does that mean to me? How do I put that in my taxes? That's all available here for you. If you're looking for, let's say, credits, just tax credits, let's say that you're a business owner and you want to get the tax credits or you want to open up a business, this is where you could go in. The same thing, the IRS will always ask you for your feedback about visiting their website. So that is up to you whether you want to give them feedback or not. You will also get pop-ups about if you want to join their emailers for you to be up to date with them. That's up to you if you want to do that as well. For now, I will go ahead and close it. So we were back business owners. Beneficial owners and documentation, basically all the documentation that you need for small business owners, the IRS tips and other overlooked home office deductions, anything that you need to know, you could put that here. As you can see, it was so simple as just putting in it on the search engine. If you just want to work off of the home, you have all these tools and resources here. If you're wondering about the current status about the economic impact payments, if you have specific questions, that's here for you too. If you want to keep up to date with the coronavirus tax relief, that's here too. The tax deadline, as we all know, it was extended for the state of Illinois. It was also extended. Most states are actually following the federal guidelines. And then any other information, you could easily hit the search engine, hit the tax and credits are here, following up on your refund, your pay, if you needed to update your bank information for whatever reason, if you're looking for specific forms, if you need to update your wages because you did not pay enough tax during the year and you want to make sure that you pay the appropriate amount of tax or you overpaid, this is the form that you could go ahead and print up and give it to your employer so that you can make those changes. So that is the IRS. As far as the state, well, we are in the state of Illinois, so we will focus on the state of Illinois. But if you did work in another state, there are other states here. These are all the states. At the end of the day, I'm going to go ahead and pause it so that if you need to take a screenshot of this, you could go ahead and do so. Um, at the end of the day, you want to look at the state, and then it has to say Department of Revenue, French Tax Board, or something to the effect of the financial department, the tax department. Those are the appropriate websites to visit. The news are great to inform you of what is hot and happening right now. It does not mean that that is the most accurate information. So if you want to get down to the most accurate information, please do visit your specific state and the IRS.gov. So for the Illinois Department of Revenue, when you go ahead and click on it, it's the same thing. If you want to go ahead and put in the specific topic that you're looking for, you could go ahead and use the search engine. As you could tell, it's going to go ahead and give you a bunch of different options. So just go ahead and be on the lookout for whatever it is that you're looking for. Business owners, same thing. If you want to find out what the benefit, the registration forms are, or business deductions. Of course, I'm going to mess up. What form do I use for net loss deduction? The explanation of the impact on the total revenue resulting from the federal tax cut. This was from 2018. The 529, that's more specifically for something else that has nothing to do with this. So we'll go ahead and redo our search engine because that was not what we were looking for. So let's go to businesses here. File, pay, and manage your account. You're withholding your not-for-profit organizations if you want to verify a business and the incentive program. Your local governments, that is here, your property taxes, any other forms that you need, individuals or businesses, that will be here for you as well. As far as the home page, as you could see, it is very specific to each one of them. They all have a red, if you notice, the state of the IRS did have it initially when I logged in. They had that to contact them, you got to email them just because they are short-staffed as well, just like, you know, most corporations are. So they are needing to take emails, they are needing to resource to other ways of contact. So when you do call the IRS, do expect to be on hold for a while, and then if not, your call might just get disconnected. So do look out for that if you need to contact them. Where's my refund? About the IRS. I know their phone number. They have 3 locations, but I don't believe the 3 locations here in Illinois have phone numbers. From what I had to contact us, is the tribal. Let's go to help. This is more information about the economic impact payment stimulus. File return, individual taxpayer. That's all that took us. So as you can tell, it's pretty easy to browse. Telephone assistance here. I guess they're not giving us a phone number right now, IRS phone number. So you're gonna have to go ahead and put in according to your need, but most likely here it is right here. I would again leave this a little bit longer so that you could go ahead and take a screenshot of these departments. As you could tell, they are open, but the not-for-profit are closed. You just have to be very patient when you call the government agencies. That's all that I could ask of you. Don't get frustrated That's the story of our lives as government agency representatives. We're pretty much on hold most of the time. But yeah, that brings us to the end of our um, topic for today on your tools and resources that are available to you. Again, this is Ruby with MRB Financial. Please don't forget to follow us. Don't forget to contact us if you have any questions. We do still have our raffle going on. It's going to finish actually May 1st. So please do look out for that. Thank you and have a beautiful monthly. Bye.